Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change a hood safety catch on a BMW 2001. As you can see guys, this hood catch is broken, so we gotta replace this. We have two bolts to unscrew right here. One is right there, and the one it's right here. Those two. In order to do this, you will need a screwdriver with a T30 cap. And this is the new part, which I bought it on the eBay. I'm gonna put a link in the description for you guys. Let's see how it goes. When you put it back, you gotta make sure it's in exactly the same position as the old one was. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also like the video if you find it useful. Bye, I'll see you next time.